What's up, guys, and welcome back to Keeping Up with Crypto with your boy Xander. Today, we're going to go over Bitcoin Diamond. This thing just exploded kind of out of nowhere, and I thought y'all might want to review over it. So, from what I can see, if you go to CoinMarketCap, Bitcoin Diamond sitting at about $40.76 at a 128% increase. Let me refresh that. Boom, already to 44, 147% increase. This is because this is catching up right now. If you go to Binance, you'll see that this thing has skyrocketed over 621%, guys. That is mind blowing. That is just ridiculous. So while this is sitting at $220, it is sitting at $44.24 on CoinMarketCap. So that's why you can't always just watch CoinMarketCap, because sometimes you need to be on whatever account and exchange you are on, because it's not even the same on all the markets. So let's go to the markets real quick. Let's go down to Binance. If you see, Binance is trading at $672 million in the volume in the last 24 hours, making it $224 in price. But all these other ones, as you can see, like on X-Rates, it's $25. On OKEX, it's $45. On CoinS, it's $135. On KuCoin, it's $525 between Bitcoin. That's Oh my God, that is if you have some on there in KuCoin, you were doing just so ridiculously good. Man, I don't even know what kind of return that is. Sounds like over 1,000% return in 24 hours or something. Looking like the next Pat coin. But if y'all don't understand how this works as far as the different markets, how it is that each market actually has to buy. So like we're talking about Bitcoin Diamond. Before any of this was on sale, before you could buy it on Binance or exchange on Binance, Binance had to buy millions of these Bitcoin Diamond coins. So that way you could trade with them. They're not just making them out of nowhere. We are actually trading with Binance when we do it. So the more that we buy on Binance, or the more we trade with Binance and get coins and get more coins, that means they have less and less, which means that the price will go up and up and up. So that's why these other ones that don't have this higher trading volume, because people are not buying them on there, their price is much, much lower. But on the ones that are high trading volume and people are buying more than they're selling, that means that the price will go up. So that's why each individual market has their own price for it, depending on what their supply is and how much they have left. Now, Bitcoin Diamond on here is starting to catch up just because the price is rising in other markets. And I think this is just like a rough median of most of the markets. Let's refresh the page. It was at 44.24, still sitting there for a sec. Like I said, yeah, it has just been exponential on Binance, and if you're on what was it, KuCoin? Yeah, KuCoin. And I know a lot of you guys haven't been able to get on Binance, and we recommended that you get on KuCoin. So I hope you did, and maybe you invested some into this Bitcoin Diamond. Now, the one thing that I found that was a little confusing was their website, because I was checking out some of their stats and stuff like that. They consider themselves to be a better Bitcoin. So I'm thinking, okay, so it's gonna be a lot faster, it's gonna be a lot less pricey, blah blah blah. So protection of privacy as usual, but it does say it reduces the cost for transfer. At present, the high transaction fees has become a great resistance and extremely hindered the volume of Bitcoin for users to choose Bitcoin. Reducing the cost of participation. Okay. But then I was looking over here at the max supply. It does have way more supply than any of the other ones. So Bitcoin, Bitcoin Gold, Bitcoin Cash, all those sitting at 21 million. This one has 210 million. So it's 10 times as much, which also means that the price will be 10 times less. So with the same market cap, if Bitcoin's at 20,000, this one will be sitting at 2,000. So that's something to keep in mind. So mining, claiming, optimize 10 minutes on the blockchain, which all of them are on 10 minutes. So I'm not sure why they highlight that. There's just not a whole lot of differences. And this one is actually 135 gigabytes. So it's a little less than a couple of them. So I don't know why they highlight some of the stuff that they do on here. But their mining pools, if you use any of these, you can mine with them on there. Now, the exchanges, which is something I do like about it, is that they have so many different exchanges, and they have a lot of the good ones like Binance and KuCoin, and I think they're on Cryptopia, and like they're on a lot of really good ones. So I can see that they have multiple wallets which you can keep it on. Their roadmap is kind of lackluster. I'm not sure what all they have coming up. I mean, this is what they have coming up, but I mean, other than this is just one thing a year. That's not very good. That's not going to be a lot of hype behind it. And then the development team. I'm not sure how to like. I don't know what like EV007 and then plus. I don't even know. You can't even click on them, so I don't even know what that's supposed to mean. I don't know who these people are. I don't know why they don't have pictures up. And are those the only two people working on the team? Because that is an incredibly small team. And then you can fund them if you want, and that's kind of just it. That's the whole website. That is not a very good website. So I'm not exactly sure as to why it's shooting up, guys, and why it's doing so well, other than the name Bitcoin Diamond, which is a pretty good name. If you know what's going on with it, just let me know. I just wanted to put this video out there really quick for you guys, so that way you can see it, see the growth. I'm pretty sure what a good idea might be is buying it cheap on these other exchanges and then trying to transfer it over to, let's say, KuCoin and have its worth be higher. That might be a strategy you might try out. Um, but yeah, and also notice, guys, that we're finally coming back up, guys, bouncing back a little bit, sitting at a $740 billion market cap, $37 billion in the 24-hour volume. We're starting to recover. We're finally starting to recover. You may be seeing your gains back on some of your money. Maybe you're not dipping so hard. I hope your bank accounts are sitting in the green now instead of the red. But other than that, guys, take it easy. Like, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much, guys, for over 300 subscribers. This has been a really cool ride for both me and Sean. We've enjoyed it a lot. We never expected to get over 300 subscribers in just a little more than 3 weeks. So it's been quite a ride. So thank you very much, guys, and we love your comments. We always try to get back to you. We love your positivity. If you do have some critiques you'd like to give us, just give it to us in a positive manner, and we'll respond to that too. And we always like constructive criticism. But other than that, guys, I'll see you in the next video.